These are all the trades I took using the liquidity inducement theorem in the intraday yesterday by identifying the liquidities and the traps of the smart money concepts. So basically, all the trades are taken from the stop losses of the retail people and smart money people. If you see here, this is the equal loss. So this is where the retail people stop losses will be executed. I entered there. So every trade will be same like this. I entered from the liquidity, I exited the liquidity. So this is one day and this is another day. All the trades is a scalping liquidity strategy. The accuracy is insane. So in this video, I will explain you clearly what I did to achieve this kind of insane results. So if you watch that till the end, you will completely understand how to do this type of scalping. So first thing first, you should understand the market traps. The market never moves like this. This is a big lie ever told you. Everybody will tell the market structure will be clean like this, but in the reality, there is no structure to the market. It will move however it wants. It will move however it wants. So the market will move like this without any structure or format. There is no clear structure format to the market. It can move however it wants. But according to the data, always the clear moves will happen after the liquidity is taken out. Always the big moves will happen after the liquidity is taken out, whether it is the intraday move or the weekly expansion or the daily expansion. Always the liquidity is the main driver of the price. That's what ICT talks about every video. So in this video, I will simply explain, no bullshit guide, nothing. I will simply explain how you can take this type of entries. So first thing first, when you are coming into the chart, you should identify the liquidities. Where is the liquidity in the marketplace? You should identify clearly. Where is the liquidity? The liquidity is four types. One is equal lows, equal highs, smart money trap, means this is the format of the smart money trap, and the flag patterns like trend line like this. That's it. These are the very simple type of liquidity patterns you should understand, because that's where the retail people and smart money people are getting trapped. If you see, this is the equal lows that I observed when I came to the charts at 12:30, and I waited for the sweep of the equal lows. The market swept and provided a bullish candle, so I entered there and targeted the next liquidity, because this is the next liquidity. If you observe, this is a clean trendline liquidity where many retail people will buy. They will think the market will go up, go up, go up. So sweep, I entered the sell and targeted the Asian low. And we of course know Asian low is for reversal. After Asian low, we can take the buys, and there is another trend line is formed by the market makers, and we targeted the trend line. And also we got another scale entry here. If you observe the oscillation of the price here, the market is moving like this, higher highs, higher lows. So smart money people will buy from here, buy from this order block. It is a trap, fake reaction. Market took the liquidity, we can enter the buys. Everything, lot of confidences. Asian session liquidity is taken out and the smart money people got trapped. This is a very high probable confirmation entry. Same thing, Asian high got taken out here, the trend line high. So we can sell here, but this candle is very big. Stop loss will be very big. So I didn't sold here. I waited for this kind of pattern. Smart money people to get taken out. If you see, this is how the market is oscillating at lower lows, lower highs. And if you see the speed and aggression candles, blue, all blue candles taking out for liquidity, we can clearly tell it's just a manipulation. If these type of candles taking out any liquidity, it's 100% manipulation of the price. This is very high probable scenario at any given time frame. This is very important thing. So that's why I sold here. And also same thing, another SMC trap. If you see, smart money people are getting in here, fake break of the structures. Always SMC people are taken out before the reversals. Fake SMC trap. I sold. I took a loss here with a buy because of the same pattern, which is very minor. And also another SMC trap. See here, I think you should open your eyes because structure is fake. If structure is working, everybody will be millionaires. But it will not work. Liquidity is only work. Out of 100 times, 90 times you will get wins because of the liquidity. because the liquidity is the fuel for the price. Without liquidity, there is no movement. If you see here, the daily liquidity from the left is taken out. So I took the buys and done for the day. That's it, simple day. All the trades using the liquidity, simple liquidities. And I will go into this day now. So how I trade this day? So the market is moving in the upside, higher highs, higher lows. So this is the recent smart money trap we have. This is the only smart money trap we have. Let me annotate with the rectangle. So this is the smart money trap. After the smart money trap is taken out with huge speed and aggression, I bought the market and targeted this liquidity. And again, if the market take this trend line liquidity, I again sold the market because the market is in premium. It took a lot of liquidities from the left as well. Internal liquidities, previous internal liquidity was taken. So that's why I sold the market. Every reversal from the market is because of the liquidity. When there is no reversal, there will be no liquidity. That's because liquidity is a driver. And also there is a trap here that was supporting this order block, order flow, real order flow. I took the again sell here. Again, this is also a smart money trap now. Many people will assume the buys here. Liquidity got taken out, and this is the algo inefficiency because always the algorithm want to fill the inefficiencies. Inefficiency indicates there is no real order flow is here. The banks are inefficient, so always the market will come and mitigate the inefficiencies. So that's why if you see, you can just use this order block and trade inefficiencies. If you see exactly again smart money trap, simple things happen over and over and again in the marketplace. If you see, the market is moving uptrend like this. The market took the fake break of the structures. It went up. Same pattern happens every day. If you see this day, this pattern happens. Same pattern happens this day. So there is nothing new in the markets. Always every day is the same thing. If you see here again, the market took the liquidity from the left, break of the structure. After the breaker block, we entered the sell and targeted this liquidity. That's it. Every day the same shit they will do over and over and again to induce the people. Same shit. Build up. They will first build up the liquidity. They need a build up because what's the reason of the build up? They should induce the buyers. If you see the trend line, one tap, two tap, three tap, four tap, five taps are there. So at the sixth time, many retail people will think it will go to the moon, and many will buy, and their stop losses will be around here or something. So exactly the stop losses will be taken out because the algorithm knows where these retail people stop losses will be. That speed and aggression taking out the stop losses and the market will reverse. Simple cycle happens over and over and again. This cycle, this is called as the liquidity cycle. If you see, it is not random. The price is not random at all. If you observe, can you see this is the liquidity where the retail people will sell the market from this order block. They will think the market is in downtrend, so they will sell. But what happened? The market knows exactly where the smart money people will enter the market, and that's why we will sell here. I don't sell here personally. What I will do is I will wait for the structural shift. This is the structural shift, and again this is another mini smart money trap, and I will enter here. There are lot of ways to do in this liquidity thing. It's very easy. I will be sells here and target all this liquidity, huge move. Once you understand the liquidity, you can't unsee it because it's the way the algorithm works. You will amaze how many moves you can capture using this liquidity concepts. Definitely blow your mind. If you see here again the smart money traps, every day these smart money traps will occur. Can you see this small trend line here? Trend line liquidity is building up. Trend line liquidity is building up, and the market. This is the algo inefficiency. What I talked about. This is the small thing, inefficient price action, algo inefficiency, and this was mitigated, and the market reversed. Same thing. We can buy the market here. Target this liquidity, and again where we should sell. we should sell the market at the smart money trap. This is the smart money trap because the market is coming the higher highs, higher lows, right? So this is the trap. The trap got taken out at the edge. We can sell the market again. Where we can buy after the liquidity is taken out. This is the liquidity. The liquidity got taken out, and this is the fake channel build-up. This is what I call it as the build-up of the liquidity. This is the build-up of the liquidity. Choop. Exactly at the New York Open, the market reversed. Simple thing, guys. There is nothing to be complicated in this marketplace. You can easily get 80 to 90% win rate by using this strategy. Simple things. And also every time before the price is going to reverse, the market do this pattern. Fake high, fake low, and the market will change the pattern. Same thing happens every day. Over and over and over and again. There is nothing new. If the market continues in the one direction, it can go like this. Smart money trap, inducement, chew. Same thing, guys. Nothing new. Every day you can take lot of trades by this using the scalping method. Again, smart money trap, liquidity induced, algo inefficiency, chew. You can take the buys here because if you see, this is also the algo inefficiency. Algo inefficiency taken out. Liquidity, there is a small trend line liquidity. If you observe, there is a small trend line liquidity taken out. Algo inefficiency, you can buy here and you can sell here. Why I'm telling you can sell here? Because same thing. You should be better at finding the algo inefficiencies after the liquidity because those are very important. Algo inefficiencies. Where's the liquidity? This is the liquidity. Liquidity, build up, sweep. You can sell here. Again, smart money trap. Where is the smart money trap? This is the smart money trap. Inducement, algo inefficiency, choop. Same type of price action, guys. Happens over and over and again. You can be in this buys too. Same pattern. Why you should be in this buys? Liquidity, mitigation. You can buy the market here. You can easily make at least 5% trading this. If you master this, you can kill the profits literally. No ICT, nothing. Chew. You can sell. This is the way I trade the markets over and over and again. Every day, same shit. Every day, the same shit, guys. That's it, guys. I hope you got a lot of understanding about the intraday liquidity scalping. If you wanna join the liquidity inducement theorem bootcamp, which I'm conducting for the December, so I think for this year this is the last bootcamp, and I'm giving some discount for the as it was the last bootcamp of the year. If this is the very best opportunity for anybody to learn. If you wanna join my bootcamp, just send a hi in the WhatsApp. I will give you all the process to join. Peace, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.